to the Mindset course. This is for people who feel stuck or jealous of those positive people out there and wonder if you could just do a mindset revamp. Could you reprogram your brain? Is it even possible? This course covers how to get, keep, and use a beginner mind, a positive mind, and a growth mind. If you have these mindsets, nothing can stop you. But wait, what if you're totally stuck? I have an entire section on how to rewire your mind step by step so that you can look at anything like, I've got this stuck thought, I keep doing this behavior, I have this emotion that is really bothering me. You can rewire your brain using the steps that are in here. I take the complex of human psychology and I make it simple. A little bit about me. I had a tough childhood, and I don't know if that was it or just in my DNA, but I started life with a real rigid mindset. I was always trying to protect myself, control my environment. That worked in the first part of my career as I moved up on the power of my IQ, my determination, and my hard work. But then I wanted to advance further. I wanted to manage teams. I wanted to network. These traits of protecting, zero-sum game, and control just weren't working anymore. I went on a learning journey, which is still ongoing. So far, I'm more resilient, I have a beginner mind, I'm positive, and I think of the world from a growth mindset. My promise to you is that through this course, I will share that journey and bring you along with me on your own journey with exercises for change and a roadmap for your future. I hope you'll join me.